Hi guys, this is how you will get the machine on the truck. So here we are gonna undo the box and remove the machine from the pallet, and this is how we're gonna do it. So first let's start with cutting this strap. So you got the knife, cut the strap out, and this will go in the bin. You will get this ramp as well. So the ramp will just put it aside for now. And so the only way to remove the machine will be from the back side of the machine. So how we're gonna find the back side of the machine will be this store sticker will be here, and you can also will find the machine information sticker here as well. So this is the back side of the machine. So before we remove the box, we will just cut it from the top like this, and you will get the machine like this. And there will be, just keep in mind, there will be extra spare brushes and everything will be inside the machine. So you're just gonna remove that everything first and put it aside. Get everything out so it doesn't fall. Remove these boxes, remove this plastic cover. Yep, I think it should be fine. Slide like this, and this is the handle. This is actually the parking position. So how you will put it into the normal position is just loosen this bolt out. So it will remove this teeth apart. Put this up like this and tighten it back up, so it will just get into place. Okay. Cool. Now the second shot.
Yeah.
Cool. So,
Go.
cool. Now the next step will be to remove the box. Before we remove the box, make sure there is the key and the instruction manual there inside this bag. So make sure we keep this aside as well. Now, first of all, before we remove the box, we cut the box, you have to be mindful of these cables and everything inside, because there is cables inside as well. So we don't want to cut that. So just make sure they are nice and clear. So we'll start cutting it from this side. So we'll get a knife, cut this part. Now you can see from here as well if there is anything there. And this will be wide open. Just remove this. Keep it like so. Now the next step will be just remove the machine from the pallet to the ramp and then put it outside of the pallet. Cool. So the next step will be we will be putting the ramp on, and we will be removing this box on the packaging box. So first of all, just open this box up like so, and just get your knife again, and just make the small cut in here. Be mindful that there is a machine inside, so you don't want to cut anything. It's just a soft cardboard. It will just come like this, and you want to do the same on the other side. Yep. And this box is out. Remove this plastic. Put it like so. Get the ramp. And just put it like so. Cool. So now we are ready to roll out. Make sure the cable is secured. Cable is secured now. And what do you want to do? The machine has a bumper, like brushes on the front, and there is a parking brake as well. So we just want to put it in the angle and just pull it out. So, and there is a bump here, so we just want to pull it. We just like so. Cool. and we just want to put it like in this parking position. We don't want to put it like this. We put it like this parking position. If you pull this like this, the stand will come out and it will be parking position. And then just remove this packaging, put it in the box, and move this machine to the designated cleaning location. Okay, cool. So how you drive it, you just pull it like those, so, and go and drive it, and just drive it like so. And you can move it to the cleaning location along with these all accessories with the machine. So you can find it out at the later on. Make sure there's all accessories, whatever you got in the box, and you just plug it.